Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to insert pictures in a Microsoft Excel cell. So guys, firstly you need change the height and size for Excel cells like this. So select here where you need to insert the picture like here. Now insert and shape. Select rectangle, press and hold Alt and draw the rectangle. In the shape field, select picture. Press and hold Alt and select the picture in a shape. Adjust cell size as your requirement. Picture will resize automatically like this. So thanks for watching guys. Comment in this video useful for you.